Now we will do a small exercise in the binary number system. For example, I have a number like previously I have shown you A0, AJ01, AJ02, AJ2 point, AJ-1, AJ-2. Okay, this is the some binary number, arbitrary binary number. So how you will write here? Here instead of 2 you can write R. So if you put the R here, then this will be a generalized formula. Now just I would like to mention with base 2 how you can write here, right? AJ0 into 2 power, what is the position of this J0? AJ0, it is a 0, 0th position, right? So AJ1 into 2 power, 2 means R radix of this particular number system, J1 plus AJ2 into 2 power J2 plus AJ minus 1 into R power J minus 1 plus AJ minus 2 into R power J minus 2. This is how the binary number you can express in this way. Sorry, instead of R we need to write here 2, right? Because we are in the binary number system. If you put R, this will become a generalized formula. Now if you put 2 here, then this is, you can express the binary number in this fashion. Now with this I will do a small exercise here. I have, for example, 10101 point something like 1001. I have some number here. Okay, so please write this number into this form and you tell me that what will be the number, what will be the result. So I will start from here. 1, this, what is this 1 position is actually J0, this is J1, this is J2, this is J3, this is J4, and this after decimal, this is J minus 1, this is J minus 2, this is J minus 3, this is J minus 4. The radix is 2. Now 1, I am starting from here. 1 into radix of this number system is 2 and position is J0. So I am writing with 0. Okay, J0, here I am not writing J0 because J0 means it is a generalized one, right? Now I am writing this 0th position. J0 means it is a 0th position. J1 means it is a first position. So okay, and what is the second position of this number? In this number, 0. 0 into 2 power, what is this position? This is 0th position, this is first position. 1 plus, this is third position. 1 into 2 power 0, 1, and second position. As we are starting with 0th position, right? This is 0 position, first position, this is a second position. Indexing, I am starting with 0. 0 into 2 power, this is 3, and 1 into, it is 2 power 4, plus, this is after decimal, I can write 1 into 2 power minus 1 plus this 0 into 2 power, this position is after decimal, it is a minus 2 plus this 0 into 2 power, the position is minus 3 plus here 1 into 2 power, the position is minus 4. Now 1 into 2 power 4, what you will get? 16. Okay, 1 into 2 power 4 you will get a 16 plus 0 into 2 power 3, it will become 0. 1 into 2 power 4 you will get 4 plus 0 into 2 power 1 you will get 2 plus 1 into 2 power 0, it means 2 power 0 means 1, it is 1 plus 1 into 2 power minus 1, you will get a 1 by 4 plus or 1 into 2 power minus 1, 1 by 2, you will get a 0.5 plus anyhow 0 into 2 power minus 2, it is 0, 0 into 2 power minus 3, 0, and 1 into 2 power minus 4, that means 1 by 16, 1 by 16 means it is 0, 6, 2, 5, okay. Now, if you add all together, 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, 20, 22 and 23 plus 0.5, this is 0, this is 0, 0.0625, you will get 0.5625. Altogether, you will get 23.5625. Okay. Now you tell me, this is the binary number I have given, 10101.1001 with radix 2. In the binary number system with radix 2, you don't have any other number except 0 and 1, right? But when you put this number into this format, as like in decimal number system, how we have done, when we express this number into this format, finally you will get this number called 235625. It is not binary number, right? Here we have other numbers other than 0 and 1. It is actually binary numbers. Okay. How I can come to know that this is a binary? This is a decimal number. With 10 is the radix. How I come to know that this is the decimal number is, what is the formula here I have written? What is the number I have given in, I put it into the generalized formula. So here instead of 2, I can write R. This may be a 10. Okay. This format we have derived in the decimal number system. The same format here we are using in binary number system. And we are expressing that given binary number into this format, which is equivalent to decimal number system. So instead of here 10, I am writing 2. So 2 power 3 means 8 you will get. 8 means it is in the decimal number system. So as we are expressing the given number system into this format, okay, this equation format, this equation we have derived in the decimal number system. So we will get the final answer in the decimal number. Okay. So in the decimal number, the same exercise we have done using 7639 some format. So there we have written 7 into 10 power on that particular position 4 plus 6 into 10 power that particular position. So after adding that, you will get again the same number. So given number and final answer is same in the decimal number. And the same format here we are using. So to convert that particular number, given binary number into decimal number, right? This is you can call as a binary to decimal conversion. Okay, binary to decimal conversion. This is very important. So for more clarity, we will see a derived expression. Already in previous topic, we have written what is the decimal number and what is the equivalent of binary number and how we have compared. For example, in that given number, binary I have taken and here I have written decimal. So for 9, if I remember, I have written 1001. I have written like this, right? Now we will see this. We will prove this one. Okay. Now what is this 1001? So what is the position of this one is J0. What is this position? J1, J2 and J3. Right. Now you express this into generalized formula. So I am starting from here. 1 into, this is 2 because I am in the binary number system. So here I am writing 2. What is this position? 0 plus this 0 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 3. 1 into 2 power 3 means 8 plus 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0 and 1 into 2 power 0, it is 2 power 0, 1, it is 1. You will get 8 plus 1 is nothing but a 9, which is equivalent to decimal number, right? Here I have written binary equivalent to decimal already. So this is a given number and this is a decimal number. Like that we will get. So this is the procedure how you can get from binary to decimal number. So another example, just we will mark. This is 110 we have. So what is that equivalent of that particular decimal number we need to know. So how you will write this 0 into another example, 0 into 2 power 0, 1 into 2 power 1, 1 into 2 power 3, 1 into 2 power 4. This is the fourth position, this is the third position, this is the first position, this is the 0th position. So you will get 16 plus 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, sorry, this is 2, this is 3. 0th position, 1 position, 2 position, 3 position. This is 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus, anyhow this is 0. So you will get 14. 14 equivalent of decimal is 110 in binary. So that is why I told you that to make a table. Okay. So up to 15 equivalent of binary and equivalent of decimal you can make a table. Then it is very easy for further classes to get the what is the equivalences of binary and decimal. That is very much necessary also for us. Okay.